Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This time, let me share with you a story about my employment. Due to a business decision of my employer, I had to resign. With the help of God and the use of Kiwa platform, I facilitated my transfer of employment successfully. What is Kiwa? Kiwa is Saudi Arabia's unified digital government platform for labor and human resources. Created by the Ministry of Human Resources and Social Development to streamline interactions between employers, employees, and the government, digitizing processes like employment contracts, work permits, visa management, and Saudization compliance. I will lead you to the computer screen to show you the process of my employment transfer. You can access the Kiwa portal by downloading the Kiwa app through your mobile phone, and the other way is by accessing the portal on the web browser by typing in kiwa.sa. There are two language options in the portal, by Arabic language and by English language. If you are new and do not have account yet, click Join Kiwa. In the registration page, key in your national ID or Ikama ID. Then your date of birth. Click Next to continue and register. Assuming that you have registered successfully in Kiwa, log in. In the login page, you can type in your national ID and match it with your account password in order to log in. The other way is by logging in through the NAFAT system. I will select NAFAT. I am asked to enter identity number and click the NAFAT button. The next step of verification will be in my NAFAT app on my mobile phone. And I am now in the system. The first task is to submit my resignation, and the dashboard of my current employment contract will be displayed. Under my current job, I can review and download a copy of my contract, see the basic information, and request to terminate my contract. Step 1. The introduction contains about the process, what I will need, and details of the notice period. I click Start the process. Step 2 is the reason for termination. Here, listed are the different reasons of termination. In my case, I will choose resignation. Click Go to Summary. Click the checkbox. I will click the Submit button. I receive verification code to verify my request. Done is the submission of my resignation to my current employer. I'll click Back to my current job. Under Services, Pending Changes in Contracts, I see a notification, Termination Request awaiting employer decision. Here, I can also cancel my termination request. Any changes about the effectivity of my resignation can be raised by my employer in the portal, and I will receive a notification or updates through SMS or text message. On the other hand, while my resignation is awaiting the completion of its process, I was informed by a potential employer that a new job offer for me was raised in the Kiwa portal. I will log in to check on the job offer. It states here, pending employee approval on transfer request. To study the details of the job offer, I click the contract preview. Key details to study on the contract. Profession and work location. Contract period, probationary period, work hours, week rests, annual leave, basic wage and allowances. I will click Go to Employee Transfer. Put a check on the checkbox and click Agree and Continue. I receive a verification code on my mobile phone number and enter the 4-digit code. Now, my transfer status is awaiting for the completion of notice period with my current employer. Once the resignation effectivity date is met and my current employer approves it, the new employer will start processing my transfer of sponsorship through online and on government portals. Luckily, everything went well and my new employer was able to transfer my sponsorship successfully. Now, a new residency card is being generated and to be delivered to me. As to employment contract, according to my new employer, what was generated and uploaded in the QA portal will be the one to consider legal and binded. And that's it. I hope you find this blog informative. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.